Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this look here. It's very Valentine's inspired. So if you have a date, if you're just going out with the girls, if you're practicing your makeup, whatever, here's some ideas for you. So if you are interested in seeing how I did this look, then keep watching.
Okay guys, here's my little headband that I like to wear when I'm doing my makeup now. But we are going to start with the Too Faced lip injections to prime my lips. And then we're going to go right into the MAC Hyper Real foundation in bronze. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. Now we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty foundation. This foundation is so ridiculously full coverage. If you just want a flawless look one day, you need to use this foundation. This is the color Toffee, and I'm just pressing that in. All right, wherever I need a little bit of extra love, I take a little bit more of the foundation and I literally just press it into the skin. It will cover everything. Then I'm going to go in with my MAC Prep and Prime highlighter in Peach Lustre and just cover up the darkness around my mouth. I'm just color correcting here and I'm going to blend that in. Now I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer. This is in the color Caramel Corn, and I'm just going to go over all of my highlight areas and just blend that out. Now we are going to take, again, Huda Beauty, the setting powder, and we're just going to bake under the eyes a little bit. Not really, I'm kind of pressing it all in. And then I'm going to add a second layer just to kind of bake a little bit, but it's more just pressing the product into the skin. Okay, now we're going to take the MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm going to use that to set the rest of my face because it does add a little bit more coverage with the brush. And then I'm going to take the darker color and kind of bronze my face. I'm not doing too much contouring here, just more bronzing. Alright, as per the usual, we're going in with Soft Ochre. This is the Paint Pot by MAC. I use this to prime my eyelids. This is going to keep my colors vibrant and it's going to prevent any creasing. And then I just set the crease area of that with a little bit of blot powder. Time for brows. I'm going to go in with the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm going to start by just lining the bottom of my brow to give me my shape. This is the shape that my brow is going to end up with. And then I'm going to fill in any holes where I might be missing some hair. After I do that, I always go in and brush through the product just to make sure it blends out properly. And then when I'm done that, I'm going to take the brow set by MAC Cosmetics. It's going to be in the color Beguile, or Beguile, or I'm not sure how you say it. Anyways, I use that just to lighten my brows a little bit. to make sure you have a really sharp brow, take any concealer, your favorite concealer, really doesn't matter, and just line the bottom of your brow. This makes it look like you literally just got your brows done. And then you just blend that color down towards your lid and you're good to go. If you feel like you need to do this on the top of your brow too, a little bit you can. I just do it very lightly. Alright, let's go right into this Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. We are going to start with the color Demure and just start off this crease color nice and soft. Okay, taking Doll Face, and we're going to put that right on top of that first pink color. Now we are going to take the color Man Eater and we're going to go on top of that color again, but this time we're going to shape this into a bit of a V on the outer corner of the eye. Okay, switching it up, we're going to take the KKW Beauty Classic Blossom palette and we're going to take the color Japan as our brow highlight color. Then we are back to that Man Eater color in the Huda palette. Going to take that right underneath the eye and then we're going to go in with Moon Dust. Applying this with my finger, this applies beautifully with the finger versus a brush. So I'm just putting that on the inner corners of my eyes and kind of blending it towards the outer portion of my eye. And I'm going to add a little bit right into the tear duct area just to give a pop of highlight. Alright, I wanted to give a little more depth on the outer corners of the eyes, so we're going to take Black Truffle and Cocoa. We're just applying it to the outer corner of the eye and then we're going to take the blending brush and blend that in so that all the colors kind of mesh together. Taking the Physicians Formula bronzer and just kind of using it as a topper powder because it's too light to use as a bronzer for me. It just gives me a nice satiny finish. And then I'm going to take Black Truffle back into the Huda palette and create a liner. I'm not doing a wing liner, I'm going to blend that out in the corners to kind of elongate my eyes but not be an official wing. You'll see as I blend it. Alright, I'm happy with the wing, so I'm going to take whatever's left on the pencil brush and just add it into my crease so it's not too dark in the crease and just blend that color out. Okay, going into blush, we're going to use the MAC Cosmetics and Mariah Carey You've Got Me Feeling. I love this blush. It is such a nice pink for my skin tone. Then we're going to go in with contouring the nose with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Espresso. Just so you guys know, this is the process where I take a clean brush, so there's no product on this specific brush, and I just blend out the contour that I've just set on my nose. And now we're going to go right into the Physicians Formula highlighter and just add some highlight. I wanted to bump the highlight up just a little bit, so I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Precious Petals and just add that in. And then we're going to apply mascara. I'm using the Stila mascara, my new favorite, just to darken the lashes before I add my falsies. Here we're taking the Lily lashes in the style So Extra Miami. These are my favorite. lashes from Lily Lashes. They're just the perfect amount of length and volume, and we're just letting the glue get a little bit tacky and then sticking those on. Gonna go in with the Tarte Inner Rim Liner. I love this. It just gives you such a nice doll look, and I thought it would look really cute for the Valentine look. And then we are going to take the KKW Pink No. 3 liner and line the lips. Okay, going in with the Lorac Alter Ego lipstick. This one, I don't know how to pronounce this, so I'm not going to because I'll butcher it, but it's in the bottom bar. And then we're going to take the gloss in the color Heroine, also from the Alter Ego collection from Lorac, and we're going to use that to finish the look.
Here's the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it gave you an idea for your makeup for Valentine's Day. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment for me. I'll reply. If you have any questions, let me know. And that is it. I'm gonna go wash my face. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.